Today I'm gonna make a simple peanut butter cookie recipe. You will need 1 cup peanut butter. I chose the crispy ones, the crunchy ones. I'll put this here, okay? This is 1 cup peanut butter. You already preheat the oven at 350. Well, I like peanut butter. Everybody knows that. Everybody who knows me knows that. 1/2 cup brown sugar and another 1/2 cup refined sugar. I'm just gonna mix them using this spatula. Just mix and mix and mix. You see what I'm doing? Just mixing. Just mixing and mixing and mixing. Baking dish. It's baking pan. Alright. You can see the consistency now. Just mix and mix and mix. Okay, just like that. See, it's all mixed now. And it's no longer sticky. Don't forget, you need to add 1 piece of egg. Can you see? And also we want to add vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon. That's it. Alright, then we're gonna mix again. We're gonna mix again. Gonna mix again. Gonna mix again. Gonna mix again. There we go. There we go. See, this is the kind of consistency you want. It's all mixed up.
You have to form it into a bowl.
Right. We're gonna form it into a ball. Okay, don't be afraid to touch the dough, okay? Just like this.
Yeah,
Okay. Face? Alright. Look at face, okay? Alright.
That's it. Eight.
Okay. Ooh, looks good.
It looks nice. They're even. Peanut butter.
Yeah. My teacher said it looks okay. Now she's gonna try it.
I'm gonna take just a small piece. Okay, let's see.
Small piece.
Let's see. Ooh,
It's nice.
it's nice.
Is it
It's chewy in the inside. I can taste the peanut butter.
yeah.
Good. I think you'll like it.
Give me some.
Yeah.
You try it.
It's so peanut butter.
Oh,
Look, you're eating peanut butter.
this is so good. Oh my goodness. Okay,
Thumbs up.
I have an easy recipe. If I miss peanut butter cookie, I can just do it this way.